Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama and today I am going to share my humongous boxy charm box. It's called BoxyLuxe, and can you see that it's so big box, so big as compared to the old small boxy charm. It comes after 1 month. After 2 months. I think it's a seasonal. I don't know. I'm so confused. And it comes with this, the big version of small, and I got number 2 variation, and I really like it. And the theme of this box is this the sea gun. I really don't understand how they written, but and all the details of this goodies or products comes in this box. First of all, which is so excitement thing in the box is this brush set. I am really love this brush set because before that Boxy Charm sent us 3 brushes in the subscription box from this Luxe set, and it was so good. I really love these brushes. It's really soft and very nice brushes, and in this box they send this complete face set. I'm so happy because when brushes come in my subscription box, I become so excited. I don't know why, but it's like this. And this brush set, it's worth $65. Can you imagine that? It's so expensive brand, and it's $65. And after that, which is very good thing. And yes, before sharing my things in the box, I will tell you something. All the products are already used by me. It's my nature. I want to review these products, and before that I use it, and I use it. Yeah, I use it. The thing which is like spongula, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's all in one beauty treatment, and it smells so good. Oh my god, see, it's so cute. It says body wash plus buffer, dermatologist tested, formulated with extract of yuzu, edelweiss and vetiver to moisturize, soften and cleanse, with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. Sounds so good. I love body showers, shower liquid, if it is liquid or it is solid, and this is first time I tried. I will try this because for the sake of video I didn't use it, because otherwise I will put it in the bathroom. So, and it is worth $20. I really like this. The smell of this is amazing. And another thing which I already used is this. Can you tell me what is this? See, because I already use it. See, my hair is there in this. My hair is stuck in this. Oh yeah. Okay, this is hair straightener. It is mini hair straightener. It's worth $75. Yeah, it's quite small for, especially for my hair. My hair are so frizzy and so curly and very thick hair, so I use it with a very thin strand of my hair, and it gives very good finish. But when I use it to curl my hairs with to do little smaller curls in the end, it will gives you very good curls in your hair. So I think if you want to curl your hair, it's very good for your hair. And I already told my little daughter I will give her this, because this is absolutely awesome for her, because her hairs are thin and shorter than me. So I will give her to use it on special occasions, not on the daily basis, because she is so young to use this for her own. Okay, and there is a small, it is not small, it's very standard makeup pouch, and there is a charger in that. You can charge it, and it's $22 worth. I don't know, I didn't use it yet because I saw several people review that they don't like it, so I don't know. You can put it like that, and you can you can put this thing in the charger which comes in your cell phones, and you put it like here and you put it on your socket. It will charge you, and you will put it in your bag. If your phone is discharged, you can charge it with this portable charger. So I think it is good for those who work outdoors a lot. This will good for them. And yeah, another thing it is, this is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is 30 ml, and it's worth $89. I use this cream and it's very good, and they give you 14-day challenge to use it, and it works very good for your skin, especially if you have wrinkles on your skin. But I have no these kind of issues on my skin like wrinkles, but it gives you really flawless look to your skin. So I really like this cream. And after this they send the Tati's shimmering lip paint. I really love Tati's lipstick. I used it before, but this is first time I'm using this glittery lip. It is a lip gloss. I use it on my lips today, but I didn't like the finish of this because it's very sticky, and after using that it will wipe off your lipstick. I don't know if you use it alone it will give good shining to your lipstick, but I don't know. But I'll try another time. But I like but it's little sticky for your lips, and if you are using outside, you have to put in your bag, because you have to do several times application of this gloss, because when you're eating something it will wipe off. And another thing, it's from Wonder Beauty, Dusk to Down. I use several products from Wonder Beauty, and I think Wonder Beauty works so well in cosmetics, and I really like this brand now. And this palette, it's worth $26, and there is, I think, 2 blushes or 1 highlighter or See, one is definitely blush because it is matte, see, and this is also, I think, yeah, but it's look like highlighter to me because it is very luminous, and this is, you know, it's a highlighter because it's in golden shade. I really like it. It's very pigmented and very good palette for traveling if you travel a lot, and it's so small you can put it in your bag and you can use it. And after that there is a Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. When I saw this, I was thinking that it is from eyebrows because pomade word used sometimes for eyebrows, but when I saw this, it's mascara. And see, it is, the wand is really good. See the wand, can you see that? The wand is very good, and today I use on my eyelashes, and I'm very happy because I use eyelashes very less because I don't know, when I put my eyelashes on, my eyes become so watery. I don't know, I have allergy with the glue or something like that, so I don't frequently use eyelashes, but I like mascaras a lot, and this is now one of my favorite mascara, and it's worth $24. It's really expensive. You know that about the Lorac brand, and this brand is really expensive. So I think this is the last star of this box. It is Violet Was palette. I know everything love that palette, and can you see I use it on my eyes today to complete that look. And see, it's pro eyeshadow. Ow. Can you see the shades? Oh my god, it is so beautiful. There is some shimmery shades and some are matte shades. The shades are really buttery and really beautiful to blend, and it blends so well. You have nothing regret about this palette. It's so good, and I used it first time in my life, and I was so happy with this palette. Now it's one of my favorite palette, but when I saw the price of this palette, I was say, oh my god, it's so expensive. It's $45. Yes, it's $45 palette, but they say hashtag my holy grail, and I know it is like holy grail because it is very beautiful palette, and I'm very happy with this box, and I was so excited for this box because this is my first BoxyLuxe box, and this palette is really a star product in this box. I love this. This is all the products comes in my box. I know you have lots of question about this subscription or box, or anything you want to comment on this video. You are most welcome to give any kind of suggestion, anything you want to say, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget it. Please give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.